What's up, guys? Dr. Andy here with Athletes Potential, and we're going to go over 3 ways you can help improve your knee, decrease pain, and improve movement so you can stay active and not have to be held back by some knee pain. So here's what we're going to do. We got Dr. Jackie with us today, and we're going to go over 3 exercises with 1 lacrosse ball that you can use at home to start working on this knee problem. So the first thing we're going to start with is a calf release. So we're going to use a lacrosse ball for this. She's going to sit down on the ground, and what she's going to do is she's going to put the ball behind the calf. All right, so right where like the actual muscle belly of the calf is, right where most of the actual muscle is. Now, once you're here, what you want to do is there's 2 things. Number 1, you want to actually move the leg back and forth. It's what we call against the grain. So imagine the muscle is it kind of runs north-south. We want to move east-west. Okay, so it's against the grain of the muscle fiber. So we're going to go back and forth for about a minute here, going kind of back and forth against the grain of the muscle. The other thing we're going to do after she's done that for a minute is she's going to find the area that felt the worst, like the most amount of tightness and discomfort. She's going to take her other leg, she's going to put it on top to get a little bit of pressure, and then she's going to take her foot and pull it up and down. All right, so this is what we call a tack and stretch. So we hold pressure down, and then we move the actual muscle on that pressure. All right, so this is a variation of a sort of hands-on technique you can do yourself. So up and down, we're going to move that around. So 2 minutes in the calf. Find the worst spots that you can. Go against the grain and then move it up and down. The second thing we're going to do is a knee gapping technique. Okay, so for her knee gapping technique, what you're going to do is you're going to take the ball, you're going to put it behind the knee on the outside of the knee. Okay, so you have kind of the outside of the calf and then the part of the hamstring that's on the outside here. We want to be just to the outside of the middle of the knee, not right in the middle. So it would basically be not here, but just a little bit outside is where you want to put the ball. Now once it's there, she's going to go ahead and she's going to start to pull her heel towards her butt. Now, she can do this in this position. The other thing she can do is lay down on her back. If you have an issue with really getting your knee flexed quite a bit, this is an easier way to go about it. So she's just pulling down and then letting it relax. Pull down and then let it relax. So you want to hold for like a second, let it relax for a second. Hold for a second, let it relax for a second. And again, we're going to spend 2 minutes here doing this as well. So we're working on getting the calf and the hamstring moving a little bit better, but we're also kind of stretching the front of the knee. If you have any pain in the front of your knee, this is a really good option for you to do. The last one, the third one she's going to do is for the quad. So we know that a lot of tightness here can lead to pain here at the knee. So it's what we call an upstream problem. If you can get this moving better, a lot of the pain in that joint can go away. So she's actually going to lay down on the ball on the quad, and we're going to do 2 different areas. One is going to be kind of just above the kneecap, a couple inches above the kneecap. The other one is going to be right in the middle of the thigh. So go ahead and roll over and we'll show everybody what this looks like. So as she rolls over onto that area, what you want to do is get right on top of the ball. And then again, we're going to roll side to side against the grain of that muscle, just like we did in the calf. And then once she finds like a tight spot, she's going to hold pressure there, pull her heel towards her butt, and then straighten it back out. So heel towards the butt, and then straighten it back out, right? So Jackie's been doing a bunch of squats, so this hurts right now for her, which is good. It means she needs to be doing this. So as we go through this, 2 minutes again is what we want to do. So it's 2 minutes for each one of these 3 exercises to really help clean that knee up, okay? So guys, try these 3 exercises. If you've been dealing with a knee issue that just hasn't resolved, test this stuff out first. But we would love to help you. We help people just like you all the time deal with this unresolved, annoying knee pain that stops them from being able to do activities that they really enjoy. Give us a call and/or click below. There's a link to a blog post we wrote about knee pain. We can learn a little bit more about how you strengthen and improve your knee mechanics to help really resolve some of the problems that you got going on. All right, thanks guys.